Okay, take a look at these two. We are going to do this one together, and then later on you can do this on your own. Pretty much the same. It's just that this one here is a 1, this one here is a 4b. Slightly, your one is slightly more complicated. But it's pretty much the same. So let's do this one here together. So here, visualize this as one bubble taking away another bubble. Your eye should then zoom into the X here. X is stuck in this bubble. So let's kill off this one here, so that the X bubble could stand on its own. So here, add 5 to both sides. So here you would have a plus 5 on this side. On this side, it would be 1 over X. And later on, you know that you've got to take the reciprocal of this. So that will leave you X on its own. So here, but so when you are here now, you've got to take the reciprocal of both sides. The way I normally do this is I would normally visualize this as being in a whole bubble. Okay, a whole bubble over 1. That's the way I would visualize it. And then when you come to take the reciprocal of both sides, it will become this. Sorry, yeah, it will become this. Take the reciprocal of both sides. So you can see our bubble is here. You see that? Or another way of thinking about it is when you're here. Hang on. A plus 5 equals 1 over X. Okay. You could follow our normal method where you've got to merge the two together. Normally I would say, oh, two different things. The reciprocal only works if you have one fraction. Here, turn these two into fractions. So write a as a over 1 plus 5 over 1. Okay. Now the two denominators are the same. You can merge them. It's just like the way I normally teach you, but here I'm taking a lot of shortcuts. So here, hang on. So this will become this. So you can see it's pretty much the same as what we had earlier. Okay. Now you would take the reciprocal of both sides. So here it would be X. This one would be 1 over this. Can you see? This is the same thing as what we did up there. So hang on. Let me do this again. Hang on. Hang on. Okay, this one here. This was our original problem here. So here, add 5 to both sides. So a plus 5 equals 1 over X. Now you could turn you could turn these two into fractions. 5 over 1 equals 1 over X, and then merge the two fractions. You could do that. But I'm just going to visualize this as one bubble here. Okay, one bubble there over 1. That's the way I'm going to visualize it. So yeah, so you've got that over 1, and then take the reciprocal of both sides. So it would be this 1 over a plus 5. Okay, if you have something like a plus 5. Equals, hang on. So if you're here, suppose you have an elephant here, then visualize this as one whole thing here. And when you come to take the reciprocal of both sides, it would be 1 over elephant plus a plus 5. Okay, or you could turn or when you're here, you could turn the elephant. You could rewrite the elephant as elephant over 1 plus a over 1 plus 5 over 1, and then you can see all the denominators are the same. So you could actually merge the. You could do that, but it takes. Well, it's up to you. I would normally visualize it as one whole thing, and then take the reciprocal there. So it would be this. Okay. So now it's your turn. So let me get rid of all this. Hang on. Hang on. Okay, so here now it's your turn. Try to do this one. Press pause and have a go. Okay, here visualize it as one bubble taking away another bubble. So let's kill off this bubble here because x is stuck in this vital bubble here. So add 5 to both sides. So it would be a plus 5 equals 4b over x. Okay. Now take the reciprocal of both sides. We could merge these. We could turn these two into fractions, and then merge the two fractions. I'm just going to visualize this as one bubble. Okay. We are now here. Take the reciprocal of both sides. So on the right hand side it would be x over 4b. On the left hand side, well, remember this is we are visualizing it. We are visualizing this as this. Okay, so this is our bubble here because bubble over 1 is that. So now, yeah, so we're going to take the reciprocal. Remember, we are taking the reciprocal of both sides. So this will become 1 over a plus 5. Okay, because if you take the reciprocal of this, it will be 1 over the bubble. Okay, so now you visualize this as one bubble dividing by another bubble. Okay, so times both sides by the 4b. Because x is on top, so times the whatever's on the bottom to kill off what's at the bottom. So here you times 4b to both sides. Remember, when it moves across, you're timesing a fraction, and when you times a fraction, it gets multiplied to the top. So it will be 4b over a plus 5 equals x. Because when you've got this here, and then you times 4b, well, here you've got a fraction, and here you've got a whole thing. So it gets multiplied to the top. So it becomes that. Okay, now x is on its own. So that would be your final answer. Okay.